everyone, I'm Marisa. In the AI industry, Anthropic has one identity above all others, the safe one. Its founders, Dario and Daniela Amade, left OpenAI specifically because they believed OpenAI wasn't being careful enough about AI safety. Anthropic's flagship product, Cloudy, is marketed on reliability, safety, and having guardrails. The company even refused a Pentagon request to deploy Cloudy to material use, citing safety principles. On March 31st, Anthropic accidentally published the complete source code of Claude Code, their most popular product, to the public internet. Here's what happened. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding assistant, one of the most widely used AI development tools this year. On March 31st, Anthropic pushed an update, version 2.1.88. A security researcher named Chaofeng Shou noticed something unusual in the package. It included a map file, the debugging artifact that maps manufactured production code back to its original readable source. These files belong in development environments. They should never appear in a public release package, but someone forgot to exclude it. That .map file pointed to a zip archive stored in Anthropic's Cloudifile R2 bucket. The archive was publicly accessible. Anyone who downloaded and unzipped it found 512,000 lines of code, 1,900 TypeScript files, the complete unobfuscated source code of Claude Code. Then, the internet did what the internet does. Chaofeng Shou posted about the leak on X. The post accumulated 26 million views. Within hours, someone uploaded the full codebase to GitHub. That repository was forked over 41,500 times. At that point, the leak became permanent. There's an iron rule of the internet. Once code reaches GitHub and gets forked 40,000 times, you can't take it back. Anthropic released a statement. This was a released packing issue caused by human error. No sensitive customer data or credentials were involved or exposed. That statement is accurate, but the real damage isn't used data. It's that competitors now can read, line by line, exactly how Anthropic built the agentic harness that powers Claude Code. The leaked code contained some details worth noting. First, Anthropic had built an internal feature called Undercover Mode, a system specifically designed to prevent Claude Code from accidentally revealing the internet code names and unreleased features when commenting to public repositories. They had a leak prevention system. They forgot to exclude the .map file. And buried in the code is completed a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet system called Buddy, with species reality, shiny variants, and also description written by Claude on first hatch. It was scheduled to launch in May 2026. The internet found it first. Third, this isn't the first time. In February 2025, the exact same error code with an earlier version of Claude Code, it was fixed. Then it happened again. I want to sit with that last point for a moment. Anthropic is a company that turned AI safety into its code identity. They refused the Pentagon. They are taking the hardest public line in the industry on what AI should and shouldn't be used for. And yet, in the same week, they had two separate data explosions. First, inter-document about unreleased model called Barbara leaked through a misconfigured CMS. Then this. Both were configuration errors. Both were human mistakes. Both came from gaps in internet process. There's a distinction that this incident makes very clear. Having a safety culture and excluding unsafety is every engineering detail are two completely different things. Having a safety culture and excluding unsafety in everything engineering detail are two completely different things. Saying you take safety security and actually remembering to exclude map files from your npm published configuration, those aren't the same thing. Two questions today. Pick one. A. As a developer, did this leak make you more or less confident in Anthropic, or did it not change anything? B. Is AI safety as a brand identity a commitment, or is it becoming a marketing claim? I'm Marisa. See you next time.